Staring at a messy video timeline for 3 hours is enough to make anyone want to throw their laptop out a window. Most of us grew up thinking that editing video meant dragging little blue blocks around a screen until our eyes bled. But things have changed in a huge way. You have these two massive titans in the editing world right now that are basically fighting for your soul. On one side, you have a tool that treats video like a high school essay. It is called Descript. This thing is a total brain bender if you are used to old school software. You record your audio and the program spits out a full transcript immediately. If you want to delete a segment of the video, you do not hunt for a clip on a timeline. You literally just highlight the text and hit backspace. It is gone. Just like that. It feels like magic. It makes editing a long podcast or a deep dive interview feel like you are just fixing typos in a document. They even have this feature called Studio Sound. It takes a recording made on a cheap pair of headphones and makes it sound like you were sitting in a professional booth with an expensive microphone. It even hunts down every single filler word that you accidentally said. You click one button and all that verbal clutter vanishes. It is a dream for people who care about the words more than the flashy effects. If you do talking head videos, this saves you an absolute mountain of time. Then you have the absolute powerhouse known as CapCut. This is the complete opposite of a dry text editor. It is owned by the same people who brought us the most addictive short-form video platform on the planet. Because of that, it is built for speed and visual dopamine. You are back on a traditional timeline here, but it feels incredibly fluid. It is packed with stickers, trending music, and transitions that make your eyes pop. If you want to make something look like a viral sensation, this is your weapon of choice. It has these auto captions that look amazing right out of the box. You do not have to spend hours styling them. It handles motion tracking and background removal like it is nothing. While one tool is about the precision of the message, the other is about the impact of the image. Choosing between them is not about which one is better in a vacuum. It is about what kind of creator you are today. If you are building a professional brand through speech, you go with the text-based approach. It is a work tool for the serious communicator. If you are trying to capture the lightning-fast energy of social media, you grab the flashy visual tool. It is a creative playground for making things look trendy and fun. It is a fascinating divide in philosophy. One is a surgeon's scalpel for your words. The other is a high-speed racing car for your eyeballs. You might even find yourself using both, depending on the project. Some days require the deep, thoughtful polish of a cleaned-up transcript. Other days require the neon lights and fast cuts of a trending video. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You just have to decide if you want to be a writer of video or a stylist of movement. Both paths lead to incredible results if you know how to lean into their strengths. It is all about the workflow that keeps you from burning out. We are living in a time where the software finally works at the speed of our thoughts. That is a massive win for anyone with a story to tell. You just have to pick your lane and start creating.